Welcome everyone to Sham Discovers. Let's learn something new today. From playground whispers to adult outbursts, swearing is universally understood yet deeply taboo. We're taught it's bad language, a sign of poor vocabulary or lack of control. But what if society has it all wrong, and your brain isn't just tolerating these words, but actively seeking them out for a profound, almost primal reason? Unlike everyday vocabulary, swear words don't typically originate from the brain's Broca's or Wernicke's areas, the usual hubs for language production and comprehension. Instead, these potent utterances tap into a much older, more instinctual part of our gray matter. This suggests swearing isn't merely about communication, it's about something far more fundamental to our survival and emotional state. Enter the limbic system, our brain's ancient emotional control center, home to structures like the amygdala and basal ganglia. This is the same neurological engine room responsible for our fight-or-flight responses, our deepest fears, and our rawest emotions. When you swear, you're not just speaking, you're triggering a direct electrical discharge from this primal core. Here's where it gets truly bizarre. Studies show that swearing can significantly increase your pain tolerance. In experiments, participants who swore while submerging their hands in ice water could endure the cold for much longer than those who used neutral words. It's like your brain is deploying an internal analgesic, a natural painkiller, activated by the very words we deem inappropriate. Think of your emotional state as a pressure cooker. When stress, frustration, or anger builds up, your brain needs a release valve. Swearing provides that immediate, powerful expulsion of pent-up energy. It's a verbal pop that, for a fleeting moment, allows your system to decompress, preventing a more explosive or damaging emotional overflow. This primal function of swearing might be an evolutionary hangover, a vestige of our ancestors' fight-or-flight responses. Imagine a sudden threat. A sharp, guttural exclamation would serve as an immediate, nonspecific alert, signaling distress or aggression without requiring complex language processing. Swearing, in this light, is a modern echo of that ancient, instinctual scream. Beyond personal catharsis, swearing plays a fascinating role in social dynamics. Sharing taboo language can forge incredibly strong bonds, signaling trust and intimacy within a group. It's an unspoken agreement to temporarily step outside societal norms together, creating a unique sense of camaraderie and belonging, a secret handshake for your limbic system. For many, particularly younger generations, swearing can also be a powerful tool for identity formation and rebellion. It's a way to signal nonconformity, to challenge authority, or to align with specific subcultures. This isn't just about defiance, it's about using language to carve out a unique space in the social landscape, a statement of autonomy. Consider swearing as your brain's ultimate, emergency button. When faced with acute stress, surprise, or intense emotion, the brain bypasses intricate cognitive processes and triggers an immediate, visceral response. It's a shortcut, a rapid-fire neural discharge that doesn't require conscious thought, much like hitting a panic button on a control panel. The phenomenon of coprolalia, or involuntary swearing, seen in conditions like Tourette's syndrome, provides profound insight. Individuals with coprolalia often report that the words burst forth without conscious intent, bypassing their cognitive filters entirely. This further reinforces the idea that swearing originates from deep, non-volitional brain circuits, rather than mere linguistic choice. Why do these specific words hold such power? It's not the sounds themselves, but the cultural weight we attach to them. Society's designation of certain words as forbidden imbues them with an electric charge. This taboo status is precisely what makes them so effective as emotional releases and social signals. Their power is amplified by their very transgression. Our brains are incredibly adaptable, constantly rewiring themselves through neuroplasticity. Every time you use a swear word in a moment of intense emotion or social bonding, you reinforce the neural pathways connecting that word to those powerful limbic responses. The more you use them, the stronger these connections become, deepening their emotional impact and neurological utility. So, is swearing a secret linguistic superpower? In a way, yes. It's a neurologically efficient tool for pain management, emotional regulation, and social bonding, rooted in the deepest, most ancient parts of our brain. It's a testament to the incredible complexity and often counterintuitive mechanisms that govern our minds, transforming bad words into surprisingly vital functions. This deeper understanding reveals swearing not as a flaw, but as a fascinating example of our brain's unconscious genius. It's an evolved mechanism, a rapid response system that helps us navigate intense internal states and complex social landscapes. Your brain isn't being rude, it's being incredibly efficient, leveraging culturally charged words for biological advantage. The next time you hear or utter a swear word, remember its hidden power. It's a window into the extraordinary wiring of your own mind, a paradox where the worst words can actually serve some of our most fundamental needs. So, what does this revelation mean for how we perceive language, emotion, and even ourselves? The conversation is just beginning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Sham Discovers and turn on the notification bell for more educational videos.